Tutorial. Classic collar. You have one under collar and one upper collar with interfacing, one outer stand and one inner stand with interfacing. Place the collar pieces RST and sew the sides and upper edge. Cut off the corners and turn the collar right side out. Work out the corners using a sharp object and iron the collar properly. Top stitch the sides and upper edge and base stitch the bottom edges with the inner stand right side up. Join the collar with the upper side up. Now join the outer stand with the right side down above. Match up all marks, pin in place and sew. Clip into the curves. Turn the collar right side out and iron properly. Pin the outer stand to the neckline's right side. Go as close as possible with your presser foot to the edge of the stand and sew. Sew carefully, making sure that no folds are caught under the seam. Fold the inner stand's seam allowance under, slightly cover the previous stitches. Take your time, especially on the corners. Here a closer look how I pin the corners in place. Since I sew from the right side, I have changed the pins to that side. Top stitch once around the stand and ready is your collar.